It's gonna be a little noisy today because we're outside and there's lawn work being done and just wind and cars and stuff like that. We're just gonna make it work. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's been a minute since I've done a video and I am in a new setting completely. Things are changing, things are different. We're not gonna focus on that right now, but we're just gonna get into this video. Last year I did a few advent calendars and I really enjoyed them. And the one that you guys seem to really enjoy was the Office Funko Pop advent calendar. So I'm doing a version of that. I'm doing another Funko Pop advent calendar. And you know from the title, it is from the Nightmare Before Christmas. Now, look at it. So they have like two calendars out. I got the smaller one, but this one is cool. It's freaking blacklight Funko Pops, little baby one. Before we get into it, I want to show off just a couple things. Okay, one is, how cute is this shirt? I mean, it says, "Excuse me, but boo." Not to be in your face, but boo. You know what I'm saying? Got this from Shein. If it's still there, I will link it down below. I mean, I've been wanting this mug for so long, or, you know, like a Jack Skellington mug, you know. I got this one from TJ Maxx. If I can find this one exactly, I'll link it below, but if not, I will link one for you from Amazon. It is just, I mean, look at it. It's just beautiful and super duper on brand for this video, so. And then last but not least, I haven't done my nails in a while. Look at these beautiful things. Now, I'm not a spider fan. In fact, quite opposite. But these were super pretty, and despite the fact that there's a spider on one of the nails, I had to do them because they're adorable and they're pretty. So now we're ready. I also cut my finger yesterday. Can you see that? A good slice right up the cuticle and nail bed. It hurts pretty good. So I'm probably going to end up hurting it a few times in today's video, and we're just going to work with it, right? Okay, so let's get into it. Let's first take this plastic off. I also just put these nails on, so like if I'm too rough with them, they're just gonna pop off. Much better. Much better. Here it is. It's still a little shiny, but you get it. Air's on, and that's a little loud, so hopefully you can still hear me. And I'm on like a janky kind of like I don't have my tripod with me, if that isn't clear. So you might be a little crooked. We're just gonna make do. So this thing was sliding out. Let's see what it looks like. Look at it! It's Sally and Jack. Oh, I love Sally and Jack. So this is what the calendar looks like. It's like this is what you would set on your nightstand or your dresser or your kitchen table or whatever. This is what it's gonna look like as you work on your calendar throughout the month. The grand reveal. Aww. So here it is. Okay, we're just gonna do it. I wonder if it's 13 because like 13's an unlucky number, like a Halloween number. By the way, happy Halloween. I'm making sure this goes out on Halloween. It's a Christmas advent calendar, but I mean, it's Nightmare Before Christmas, so it's a Halloween Christmas movie. Like, you're doing it wrong if you're not watching this for Halloween and for Christmas. What's wrong with you? Okay. Easy. Ooh, it's in pink. Of course, first and foremost, we've got Jack. Here he is. How freaking cute. And his little striped suit. Look how cute he is. So he's gonna look real cool under a black light because all of that is just gonna glow. Let's have a little station right up here. Here's one. Oh, it's yellow. Oh, okay. It's one of those three little kids. It's this one. Here he is. How cute. I love his little pink hair. And again, the skin being yellow is going to really just glow in a black light. Could you guys stop with the traffic through the doggy door? I mean, I'm trying to film. These guys, I hate them. They're the worst. He doesn't like to stand up. Next. Sally, look at her. Here's Sally. She's blue with pink hair. That's gonna be interesting. Look at them. Oh, how cute. All right, to number 4. Oh, all right, it's the mayor of Halloween Town. Look, he's happy. At least his happy face is what's facing the front. And then he's sad and stressed and worried. Happy, sad, happy, sad. Hey, he stands. It's Sally's maker. It's that little duck dude with his brain showing. Look at him. He's so gross. Oh, that's awesome. I like that his brain's pink. All right. Oh, it's one of the other stupid, gross kids. Hey, it's the other little boy. Oh, he's so gross, though. Oh, no. Okay, next. We're on day 7. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's a little dog. I love the little ghost dog. I want to get a little costume for Douglas to be the little ghost dog because he's white too, so he'll just be a perfect little Zero, I think his name is. Number 8. Ow. Oh, the boogeyman. This thing scared the crap out of me when I was a kid watching this movie, but here he is. I like his color. I like that he's pink. He's not quite as disgusting as, I think he's like green in the movie. This is better, but oh, he scared me so much when I was little. And now here I have him as a little toy. How the turntables. Number 9. Who is this? This looks like one of the, I think this might be just like one of the toys. I could be totally wrong, but here it is. Tell me what this is down in the comments because I don't fully remember. I feel like it's a toy. Orange and purple. Not my favorite color combo. Guys are just making all sorts of noise. Number 10. 4 more, guys. Okay, now we've made up the little triplets here. Here's a little girl from those 3 disgusting, mean-spirited children. She doesn't like to stand up either. Or no. Who cares? Alright, number 11. Who's it gonna be? I was hoping we'd get him. It's Santa Claus. Of course you need a Santa Claus. And he was, on mine at least, number 11. So like he would have been cool as the last one because, you know, Christmas. But at the same time, I'm hoping we have another version of Jack as the last one because he's obviously the prize here. He's the best. Alright, he's gonna stand just fine. He's got a wide base. Look at that. Okay, 2 more. What else is it gonna be? Oh, it's another Sally. Oh my goodness, I hope that means we get Jack at the end. Look at her. Aw, she's cute. So this next one, it's number 13. Better be Jack. That's all I'm saying. And the big reveal. Okay, I mean, I guess I can't complain. It's Jack, but it's Halloween Jack. Look at that face. He is absolutely terrifying. Oh, no. Here, day 1 and day 13. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Pretty accurate. He's all happy and then he's like, ah. I am glad though. We have 2 Jacks. We have 2 Sallys. I can't complain too much. You know, I just can't. I just love this mug. I mean, is that not the coolest? I love it. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments because I really enjoy advent calendars and I like Funko Pops. So like if you like Funko advent calendars, let me know. Let me know what other kind of stuff you want to see coming up in the holiday season. I plan to do more advent calendars, at least a couple more. If you have a preference of a type you want to see, let me know. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining or just helpful. You know, if you wanted to see what was in it, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day.